rats right here under this tree. Today in the background as usual. Is your girl asleep, you know? No, sir. She don't like to sleep at all. Today here under the breadfruit tree, enjoying a little breeze here in Jamaica. We're gonna talk about rats. Yes, rat. While rats are crisis and a agony to some person, these are delicacies to others. Right now, me wanna advise nobody to go eat rat. Because guess what? We don't know what kind of new virus they will spread. Just like how them say the coronavirus came from eating bats. No, a lot of countries eat rat. Like China, you know, so China got up on the list. Cambodia, the Philippines, Thailand, Ghana, Vietnam. Woo! It's a lot of breeze. Woo, woo, woo. A lot of breeze. Right now, the people them want to fly kite when them fear do them assignment because the breeze so strong. Well, the breeze cool and nice, me not lie. And you know, say, no two of me always want to sleep right and no sleep and kill me. The worst thing the breeze here. Alright. Some of them country, they you know them like them rat a delicacy and them something. They say rat tastes like pork. Why? This is information that make me want to stop it pork. No, stop. I want to know what the non-pork eaters them are going to say when they eat say rat. So like tastes like pork. I laugh. Them are going to laugh after the pork eaters them like me, you know. Okay. Anyhow, who didn't know say Jamaicans used to drink rat soup? Them not used to just drink it every day, so like dinner and stuff like that, you know. No. You know, Jamaicans skeptic already, they don't eat anything. However, first time when picnic them used to get whooping cough. You know, whooping cough, they say a cough it days and days and days. Some people call it all 100-day cough. And when them cough so hard, when them inhale, after that they cough, it makes a whooping sound. So, name whooping cough. Yes, sir. First time in the olden days, in a Jamaica, yeah. This is what they used to use as their remedy before vaccine came in. Rat soup. Yes. R-A-T rat. No, sir. Me don't want no rat soup. Me don't like the vaccine business, but you don't know, so we have to take it because we don't know what else to do. But right now, I feel like I'm going to take the vaccine over the rat soup right now. What do you think? Would you drink the rat soup? So, my mother told me this story of her experience when she was in Manchester as a little girl with her auntie, you know, have the whooping cough. So, her father now went to bush, catch the bush rat. Yes, because a bush rat them have to use, you know, not the regular house rat. No, the bush rat will eat vegetables, vegetation and stuff like that. Them use some big old bush rat. So, her auntie now had whooping cough. So every day when they come from bush, they usually carry back some little food and them cook a wash and stuff. So grandfather now, my mom grandfather now come in now with some soup, sweet up him daughter now and give her the soup. Drink it up in a soup, nice in a sweeter and all these things. 1 month later now, the grandfather tell her, say, you know, say a rat soup you drink. Me say, even though they were picnic, the picnic man van it up. Same time, if you know, say a really rat soup she drink. No, sir. What would you do? if your parents come and tell us, say, boy, a rat soup, you did drink, you know? No, so I mean, I know what I'm gonna do.
The whooping cough.
It's airborne, contagious, very contagious in them time. They, when you cough, all of the bacteria they jump out, and it when you inhale, somebody else inhale them, catch it. So a lot of kids in those days usually have this is a respiratory issue, and you cough that. Let me hear say people can cough so till they all break their ribs to this a cough yeah, hard. You know, so it's very dangerous. A lot of persons did not die from it. However, infants are usually affected severely. So it's important that persons are protected from this infection. But nowadays, luckily, or maybe I don't know, unluckily, maybe we have the vaccine, because a lot of persons talk about the vaccine that some of them are not needed, and the things that are in them are of other health issues themselves. So a lot of persons are against the vaccine. A lot of persons don't allow their kids to get the vaccine. Well, that is another story for another time. However, the whooping cough or pertussis, now you know that they give you the DPT. The babies get it at 6 weeks, 3 months, and at 6 months old. Also at 18 months and between 4 and 6 years old, they get the DPT. I don't know if actual whooping cough is still in Jamaica. I have no idea. However, all we get this vaccine, because you know that it is mandatory that the kids come in and get these vaccines, and if they don't get the vaccine, you know they'll come and find you. The government is going to send the health workers to come and get you. So I don't think you will need to drink the rat soup anymore. In it, I wonder who know about this, or who've been through this, or who would have want to experience or taste this rat soup. Me don't want a rat soup. I want rat soup I go. No, sir.
Topics of the tropics. It's tropics, topics. Share up and like it. Don't stop it. Watch it. Subscribe and clock it. Don't left it. Pack it. It's trendy. Rack it. Where, why, when, oh, just tropics, topics. Topics of the tropics.
Thanks for watching. Do remember to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell.